Today, I want to talk a little bit about my design process. But first, let me tell you about what I'm designing. So I've had this idea for a while, one of those little ideas that just sits in the back of the mind, but you never think will actually happen. It's that kind of idea. Now, I don't want to tell you exactly what this project is, because it's just getting started and I don't want to get my or your hopes up, but I'm sure you'll have figured it out by the end of this video. Comment down below what you think it is if you've got a guess. Anyway, it was one of those what if ideas, but today I just decided to go for it. So that's my first step of my design process. Just start. You'll never finish anything or go anywhere if you never start. Next is the aptly named writing down your ideas and figuring out a game plan step. For me, it's just important to write out everything that's in my mind before actually designing. It helps solidify the looser ideas I have into a usable game plan. Next is research. Now, this isn't a pivotal step in all design projects, and it's not really a concrete step because for me it happened throughout the whole process, but I thought I'd include it today because there was a little research required. Finally, we start to get into the fun part, the rough sketch. This is when you get to start sketching and the excitement of seeing your ideas begin to be realized sets in. This stage is also very important because if you skip it, you'll probably find yourself with unforeseen challenges later. It's important to take a little while and just roughly sketch out your designs. It'll help you figure out what works and doesn't work, and so move along quicker in the next step, which is moving into digital. Here I get out my trusty Surface Pro and start pencil sketching out my more refined ideas. This also looks a little different because I'm generally working with smaller pieces and designing the individual parts of a project. Next, we get into the all-important inking stage. This is when you've got your pencil lines down on the computer and it's finally time to ink your piece and determine the actual design. This stage is a lot of fun because you are finally seeing close to the finished product. Now, there's another step or two, mainly coloring and revising if needed, but I didn't show you those because I wanted there to be at least a little more suspense in revealing the final product. But generally, that is my design process. That's all I've got today. Be sure to comment down below what you think this project is and if you'd like to see its progression down the road. I'd also love to hear if these design and illustration type videos are ones that you are interested in seeing more from me in the future. Before I forget, go follow me on Twitter. I release exclusive short videos there pretty much every week, so check the link below or follow this little name, my handle, my Twitter handle here. Anyway, I'm Chris, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!